I recently found out about the strategy that you can use to make use of unlimited free ad paid websites without spending a dime and make huge affiliate commissions and high ticket affiliate commissions online without spending any money. And I'm actually going to show you over 70 free unlimited ad websites. This is completely crazy. You can go and use all 70 of these to make money online and see high ticket affiliate commissions. That's well over $1,000 per sale. And this is actually a lot simpler than what it seems. So this does maybe sound a little bit complicated, over 70 websites. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how we can do this just on one of these websites and replicate this on all 70 of them to basically 70 times our earnings. And I'm going to give you every single step that you need in this video to see commissions like this without spending any money on this. We're not going to run any paid ads. All these websites are free and all of them are worldwide. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindset. On this channel, I'm uploading daily videos on how to make money online and how to build an online brand, how to build an audience, and how to achieve your goals online. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, learn how to make money online, build an audience, and build a home-based business, definitely go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. And also make sure to watch each and every step that I show in this video and watch until the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you this course over here that cost me $197 called Generating Big Traffic Using Link Exchanging. So if you want to see how to get this course, make sure to watch this until the end, but also try not to skip anything in this video, because what I'm going to teach you in this video will really help you blow up this earnings with this course. So they kind of go hand in hand very well. So definitely make sure to watch this video until the end. So the first website I'm going to show you guys is this website over here. Make sure to keep watching as I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. And what you want to do is, and all these websites over here are free unlimited ad websites where we can go and post ads completely for free, and I'm going to show you that these websites are getting millions and millions of searches. You can see over here, this website alone is worth $71,600. This website over here is worth well over 6 figures. This website over here also $142,000 worth. This website over here $172,000. This website over here is nearly worth $1 million at $605,000. That is a lot of money for a value of a website. Now we can go and use all 70 of these websites to go and make money online with this. So just to quickly show you an example to help you understand how much traffic a website like this actually gets. So let me take this website over here. I'm just going to copy the link of this website. Let's just go copy link address. We're then going to come over to a website called similarweb.com, which is a tool where we can analyze a website and how many traffic or how much traffic it gets on a monthly basis. So let's go and post this over here. Let's just go and do that. Let's click on the website there. It should pop down like that. Click on this website and take a look at this. So this website is currently the 20,510th biggest website in the world. Now, considering there's millions of websites out there, this is a very good ranking. Currently the 4,326th biggest website in the States, the 6th biggest websites in its category. That is a big achievement. The top 10 in your category. This is a big website, and we can get a piece of this pie with free unlimited ads to make thousands of dollars in a day in just high ticket affiliate commissions. And I'm going to show you in a bit the exact product that I've been using to do this. So take a look here. This website at the moment is getting anywhere between 2.1 and 2.11 million views every single month. So in July, 2.6 mil, 2.1 mil, 1.9, 1.95, 2.1 mil, on average about 2.1 mil views every single month. So there you can see, and you can also see the majority of this traffic is from the United States, which is a top tier country. That's why traffic from this website converts very well. So we're going to use this as our example. So all you want to do is we're going to come back to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to reveal this database in a bit that shows all 70 of these websites. But let's take this one example in the meantime. We're going to copy this link address over here. We're going to come to a new tab and we're going to paste this, and we're going to come over to this website over here. And what you want to do is you want to go and choose, you can see here a whole bunch of categories, different niches that we can go and use to post unlimited ads to make huge money online. So over here, for example, if you want to go to free stuff, there's a free stuff section. Over here is garage sales, general entertainment, items wanted, lost and found. There's also jewelry, kids stuff, cell phones, books and magazines. But the best one, where you're probably going to make the most money, is jobs, because here is a niche where people are actually looking for jobs and we can utilize this because it's targeted traffic that is perhaps looking for you, and we can go and make money with this using free unlimited ads to make this kind of big money online. And the best thing is, guys, this website is completely free to join. You don't even need to sign up an account to join this website. That's how crazy and easy this is. So you can come over to classifiedads.com. The first step is over here to come to post an ad. In brackets it'll say free. We can go and choose our category. But before we go and choose our category, guys, we need to go and choose an affiliate product that we can go and make money with this using free unlimited ads. And I'm going to show you the perfect high ticket product that we can go and use. And the first website that I'm going to show you guys is this one over here called digistore24.com, which is an affiliate marketplace similar to that of ClickBank, where we can become an affiliate for different products, high ticket affiliate products, and make hundreds of dollars per sale for selling other people's products, and they then reward us a commission for that. So I came over to the marketplace on Digistore24. I'm going to show you another great alternative to this in a bit. The perfect product you can go and use, if you type in the search bar, called Crestani. So over here is what you call the Super Affiliate System 2020. This is John Crestani's Super Affiliate System course that teaches you how to build a business online, how to make 4 to 5 figures a month with affiliate marketing. It's an entire long bootcamp course that teaches you a lot of high income skills. That's why it's paying very well, and you are going to make $1,275.49 every sale. You can also come over to clickbank.com and type in Crestani on the search bar. Let's just click on search over here. Here you can see his product over here. So yeah, you're going to get $635 commission every single sale. So what we can go and do is, if we want to get an affiliate link, so this is just ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you can sign up or sign in, or you can go and use Digistore24 as an alternative, as I do know the sign up process on Digistore is much easier than that of ClickBank. Over here, all we're going to do is click on promote, and we're going to click on generate hop links. We're going to copy our affiliate link over here, right click copy, or click the copy icon over here. We're then going to come over to a website called bits.ly. What you want to do is log in with your account. On the top right, click on create, paste your long URL, which is your affiliate link, click on create, and over here you want to customize your back off. Let's go, for example, make money online. And over here, your affiliate link or short link has now been created, which looks a lot neater than this long and spammy looking link. So this is definitely a link where we can also go and track the amount of clicks it gets to see how many sales we get, which is useful for analytical purposes as well. We can then copy our link over here. You want to come back to the section over here. So since our product is all about making money online with affiliate marketing, that kind of gives us a good idea of what category we need to go and choose. So let's go and choose jobs over here. For subcategory, we want to go look at anything in marketing. Let's go marketing jobs. Our city or zip, what we can go and do is we can go, for example, to Google, and we want to go US address generator. Click on this website over here called fakeaddressgenerator.com. We have to go generate our own US address. For the state, I would suggest go and choose New York. You want to choose like the biggest city in specifically United States, and let's also go New York, and then you click on generate over here, and over here is a done for you address, zip code, state full, even phone number, and the name of the people, or a bot that we can go and use to sign up on this website, or the name of the generated address that we can go and use to create our ad. So the city or zip would just be over here. We can copy and paste New York, and you want to go choose New York NY, New York City. So add title. All right, guys, so I've quickly already filled in a template for you guys just to save some time. So over here, we need to add our ad title, our compensation, which is more or less how much this job will pay, and then a short description. So over here, you can put for your title, work from home and make an extra $1,000 per week, compensation $1,000. For the description, you just want to say a couple of things, introduce people to what the course is about, maybe give some 1 or 2 testimonials or positives about it. You can say here, are you interested in working from home to make extra cash on the side? I will show you a free training on exclusively and exactly how you can get started with this and how you can make some extra cash on the side. This will help you start an online business without buying your own products or having any products at your home on the floor. People are doing this and making over $500 to $1,000 daily, which is a great goal to have yourself. The best part, it's free and you can already access your free training here. Click here to get your free training. You'll see then if I copy this affiliate link and I paste this in a new tab, what I love about this specific high ticket course I've chosen, they give you a complete free training before they even sell you to the course. So this is a great way to hook in people through your affiliate link. This free training will then upsell them to the course where you make your $1,200 commissions per high ticket sale. And you'll see what I also like about this Bitly link. If I come back to my Bitly dashboard, you can see I got one total click, which was my click right now. So you can also track the amount of clicks it gets off these ads to see how many clicks and how many people are actually converting into clicks of your ads, which is really great to kind of, if you want to analyze that for future ads that you want to launch in the future. And the thing is, what we're going to do is now, all you do is enter your phone number, email, and all of this again, and then you click on post and you let the magic happen. For the image, what you can go and do is for the image is come over to this free training, just like take a screenshot of this section over here, upload it to your post as your image, which is kind of like the thumbnail of your ad. Then what you want to do is, I want to show you this website that I showed you in the beginning. You want to come over to sitelike.org. Over here, you want to enter globalfreeclassifiedads.com as a website, and then it's going to bump up with a whole bunch of alternative and similar free unlimited ad websites. So what you want to do is you want to go and open all of these, such as classified ads, freeadstime.org, Adland Pro, adpost.com, Locanto, adclassified.in. Go and open every single one of these, every single one. Don't stop, just keep opening them in a new tab. You want to go and use the same templates over here. You can even go and post in various different cities, and you want to go and post these free unlimited ads everywhere so that you can get sales perhaps even every single day, and you can make well over $1,000 a day if you work hard at this and get lots of people seeing your ads, especially now that you've got this access to this database with over 70 free unlimited ad websites. So just to quickly show you, if I come back to this website over here at the top, we can go and do the same thing. So you can see your categories over here. All you do is click on jobs and employment. This would obviously be your category since we're using the marketing niche. All you do is now you can see all the categories over here. We go and click on post free ad, and again, exact same process. So this one you just need to sign up an account, and you want to go and post this ad on all 70 of these free unlimited ad websites that will pay you huge money online with these high ticket affiliate commissions. But guys, what I also suggest is if you want to blow up your earnings with this, I'm giving away this big traffic link exchanging course, which will teach you how to get huge traffic online using link exchanging. It's very interesting, definitely a valuable course that will help you with this and blow up your high ticket sales. So all I ask is leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it so far. Make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on. That is a must. I can see the percentage of people and who's got the bell on. I've got a tool called vidIQ that can show me that, and also then leave a comment down below that you're ready or something positive, and I will reply to your comments with the download link to this course like I've been doing in all my other videos. Also on the screen above, go and click on this playlist over here. It's going to teach you how you can go and blow up earnings with clickbank.com. Really valuable free course that I've got you on YouTube. This is information I have now made videos on from paid courses that I've taken in the past, all here for free on YouTube. So go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.